Hi guys. So April 16th chapter is long, so I'm trying to make this short, but I do want to talk a little bit about the term on fire. So again, today Katniss is going to be called the girl who was on fire. So on fire, fire as a symbol means destruction, but it also means rebirth. Um, Being a girl on fire has particular significance because in European history and other places as well, um, it was often a punishment for women who were considered witches or rebellious in some way. So being on fire means that you are doing everything well, but it also is this kind of historical connotation of being punished for your power, which maybe is Katniss is being punished for her power or her possible power. Um, if not her own, then somebody else's. But it's important to know that fire is a really important symbol in the book, and Katniss being the girl on fire is not a coincidence. So, quickly, let's talk about today. Um, the the reading is in Mackenvia. Okay, so you're on chapter 9 now. The quick quiz that covers chapter 9. Like I said, this one's pretty long, so it's going to take the majority of your time today. So maybe just do this and the quick quiz today. I did include a link to a movie clip of one of the big scenes for this chapter. So if you want to watch it either before or after you're done, that's fine. But it's slightly different. Katniss's reactions are slightly different in the movie, but it's still kind of fun to see. So if you didn't have a chance to meet with me yesterday, make sure that you're in touch with me with how you're doing. Yeah, enjoy the reading today. It's pretty exciting. The vocab quiz will be ready to go tomorrow. Um, you are free to take it the first time, but if you want to do a retake, you need to make sure that all of your vocabulary assignments are in and are in good shape.